For our bear vase, we'll be using three 350s. I've chosen orange. I've got one inflated, leaving about a 2-inch tail. I've got a second one inflated, leaving about a 2.5-inch tail. And then a third one inflating, leaving just a little over a 3-inch tail. We're going to start with the shortest of the three. Kind of soften it up a little bit. And I find that when you're making the nose, it helps if you fold it over. We're going to make about a 5-inch bubble there. Fold it over and then twist it. And you want this longer at the front there. This will be our nose that will poke back through the head in a minute. And if you twist that ahead, then it'll make it a lot easier to poke it through in a minute. And where I usually cut the knots or the nozzles off, I've left it on because that's going to be our bear's nose in a minute. Now we're going to make his head. Make about a 3.5-inch bubble. And we're going to make about a 1-inch bubble, maybe 1.5 inches, and make this into a pinch twist. We're going to make about a 2.5-inch bubble. Another bubble the same size as our other for the pinch twist, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Make that into a pinch twist as well. These will be the bear's 2 ears. And then we do one more bubble the same size as this one. Twist that around the base once or twice. And we're going to take our nose and poke it through most of the way. So there's your bear's head. This is going to be part of his body. Now we're going to take our second 360 or 350. What we want to do is we're going to make, let's start with this one, a little small bubble on the end. Make that into a pinch twist. Another bubble the same size. These are about 1-inch bubbles. Another pinch twist. This is going to be our bear's bottom. Then we're going to go to the bottom of this first one and twist a little small bubble on the end. That'll be our bear's tail. And twist that into those 2 pinch twists that we just made. Now we're going to come up alongside our bear. And the 350s, it helps if you kind of work them as you go. Make a bubble the same size as this one here. This will be part of our body. And we're going to twist that around to secure it. Then we're going to make basically a big loop split in the middle for his arms. So make about a 8-inch bubble. Another 8-inch bubble. Twist that all together. And then what's left, squeeze it out so it'll make it reach, and then grab the very end of it with a nipple lift and twist that around that double ear twist at the bottom between the two. Secure it in place. It helps if you can hang on to it. Now you want to take one of the bubbles. If you get one that's shorter than the others, move it to the front for its belly. Kind of squeeze his arms down over it just a little bit so they'll stick out, and then turn his head facing sideways to his arms. And now we're going to make his legs. Now the one that I take, the last one, and this one, you'll notice it's the one that I cut the nozzle very, very short. You'll see why in a moment. Make about a 3-inch bubble, about a 1-inch bubble. Make this into a pinch twist. Now we're going to make about a 10-inch bubble here, maybe a little longer. We're going to twist that into the base at the bottom of the bear with a double ear twist or double pinch twist. That's going to be one of his legs. Now you're going to come out with what's left and measure it the same size as this other one that's his leg here. Make about a 1-inch bubble there. Make that into a pinch twist. That's going to be his other foot, and sometimes it's a little bit long. So all you have to do is just make a little hole in the end of that. Release a little air. to get it back down to the same size as the other, and then tie it back off. Trim that excess off there, so that his 2 feet are the same. Then if you take these legs and about halfway out, bend them and give it just a little bit of a squeeze there. Same on the other. Kind of curves them in, so he'll sit just like that. You can add a face if you like. And then once you've got him together, you take your bunch of flowers, tuck them down in between his arms so that you can hang on to him. And there's your bear ready to deliver some smiles.